Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Ford F350 oil light. First, always make sure your engine oil and filter have been replaced before attempting this reset. It's also important to park your truck safely on a level surface. Once ready, turn your ignition key to the on position, but do not start the engine. This prepares the system for the reset procedure. Now, let's begin the reset process using the pedal method. Locate both your accelerator and brake pedals. With the ignition on and the engine off, fully press down on both the accelerator and brake pedals at the same time. It's crucial to press them completely to the floor and hold them there firmly. Keep holding those pedals down. After about 3 seconds, you should see a message appear on your instrument cluster display, indicating that the reset procedure is now in progress. Continue to hold both the accelerator and brake pedals fully pressed for approximately 25 seconds until the next confirmation appears. After about 25 seconds, your display will show a message confirming that the oil life reset procedure is complete. You can then release both pedals and turn your ignition off. For some F350 models, you might navigate through the instrument cluster menu using steering wheel controls to find Oil Life Reset and hold OK. For more great deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check out the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.